Good evening, I'm Kofi Mensah and this is chale.news. Tonight, toxic floodwater has reached Accra's drinking supply and the agencies responsible are saying nothing. A prosecution witness just handed the defense a gift in the Adu-Boahene trial. ECG is cutting power across 3 regions starting tomorrow, and we say goodbye to one of Ghana's finest diplomats. Let's get into it. This one is urgent. Wednesday's floods didn't just swamp streets, they swept an illegal e-waste landfill, heavy metals, and raw sewage directly into Weija Lake. That's the drinking water source for roughly 80% of Accra. Scientists are warning of cholera risk and irreversible lead poisoning in children. And GWCL, the EPA, the DR South Municipal Assembly? All silent. Full breakdown on chale.news. Meanwhile in court, the Adu-Boahene trial just took a sharp turn. The prosecution's own witness told the High Court that the GHS 16 million fixed deposit certificate at the centre of this case was not in Adu-Boahene's personal name. That's the AG's flagship claim from December, and it just got undercut by his own side under cross-examination. Former Chief Justice Sophia Akuffo has left the Council of State, quietly with no statement from her or the presidency. Sources tell MyJoy Online her exit follows fierce backlash over her defence of ousted Chief Justice Torkornoo. No explanation, no announcement. Just gone. Ghana has lost Ambassador James Victor Gbeho, former Foreign Affairs Minister, ECOWAS Commission President, and one of the most respected voices in African diplomacy. He passed away yesterday at 91, a life of genuine service. Rest well, Ambassador. Ghana-South Africa xenophobia story has reached a strange place. South Africans are now publicly begging foreign nationals, including Ghanaians, to come back and reopen their businesses, saying local workers simply can't fill the gap. Ghana has already evacuated over 700 citizens. The reversal is striking. The Ebola situation in DR Congo is getting worse. Health workers have been driven out of a 30,000-person displacement camp, leaving contact chains completely untraced. The chief doctor put it plainly. They cannot follow up on cases. Ghana's border health teams are on alert. 3 days to Ghana's World Cup opener, and the Thomas Partey visa situation still isn't resolved. Canada won't release the official denial letter, which means Ghana is essentially fighting a diplomatic battle without knowing the charges. New analysis on chale.news breaks down why immigration law, the presumption of innocence, and FIFA's silence are all pulling in different directions. The 2026 World Cup is underway, and for the last time Messi, Ronaldo, Modric and Neymar are all on the same stage. For Ghanaians who grew up watching this generation, it's a complicated kind of joy. Full reflection at chale.news. Heads up, ECG is cutting power across Accra East, Accra West, Ashanti region and Tema from tomorrow through Sunday the 21st. Some areas are facing open-ended blackouts. If your community is on the list, tonight is the time to prepare. Full schedule on chale.news. MTN mobile money posted 1.7 billion Ghanaian cedis in Q1 revenue, up 28.4% year-on-year, and declared a 30 Pesewa interim dividend, payable June 18th. The announcement came at the company's very first extraordinary general meeting today. Fuel prices did drop this week, but here's what the MPA isn't advertising. A price floor regulation stops oil companies from passing on bigger savings, even when crude falls or the cedi strengthens. Star Oil says it could sell petrol at 9 Ghanaian cedis and 50 Pesewas. The law says no. Good news for law graduates. 19 universities have been officially cleared to run both the LLB and the new pre-bar course, scrapping the entrance exam that blocked thousands. The program starts August or September. One caution, there are still no binding rules to stop institutions from quietly introducing their own barriers. A 20-year-old University of Cape Coast student, Innocentia Avinu, has been found dead at Hatchland Beach Resort, just 24 hours after her family reported her missing from her hostel. No cause of death yet. An autopsy is expected Monday. Our thoughts are with her family. Another crash on the Accra-Kumasi highway. A container truck with failed brakes caused a 3-vehicle pile-up at Konongo yesterday, one day after 15 people died in the Pekitsami collision. The pattern of unroadworthy heavy vehicles keeps killing people. We'll end on this. Remember Eden Nana Obenkie, Prempeh College's 2021 NSMQ champion. He just graduated from Caltech in computer science and has landed a data scientist role at Meta after internships at Meta, Adobe, and 2 Sigma. That's how you do it. That's your Sunday evening from chale.news. Stay informed, stay safe, and get those generators ready tonight. Everything we covered is at chale.news. Good night.